are passing context here. And what is this context? Our current directory, because we have given the dot, right?
Right.
So now if you do like Docker build, what you're doing, it is building thing. And what it is doing during copy command? Dot means everything from current directory. Okay, copy everything from current directory to
Okay.
the
Okay, so we can also copy from somewhere else as well, right? If we will slash etc slash something or something else, we can give some
no
other
no no
directory address. Only the current
no no.
directory we can copy,
Yeah,
right?
current. Yeah, right. We can only copy from the build context. So here the build context is current directory. If you give the build context as a different directory, like suppose if you give the build context as a this basic app. Okay, I will give the basic app as a build context.
Correct.
Okay, now see, we are building it. Okay, now image has been built. Let's see the content of the image. Docker run my image one. What do you see? What is the context? What are the contents? Dockerfile.dev, example1.txt. Okay, but our current directory doesn't contain these files, right? This thing. If you do ls,
This yes, but basic.app is not copied, right?
no, only yeah. So when we pass the build context here, if you see Docker build, what is the build context? We have passed the build context as this directory, basic app.
Correct.
Okay, so now these things, all these things are in our build context. Okay,
Okay.
so when we do copy dot means our all build context, all whatever inside build context, it will be this will represent our build context. Okay, and this second dot is our current working directory inside a container for image. So copy everything from build context to the current working directory of our image. Are you getting?
I have a confusion here. Sorry, I don't know why
Okay,
I'm not getting it. Because
wait a minute. Wait a minute. What we will do? We'll here give .txt and here we will give some path like slash app. Okay. Okay. Now again we will build this. We are building it. Just copy. Now if you do Docker run my image, what it will see? What do you think? What will be the content?
it will contain that text file, right?
Yeah, the text file. But the pattern is star.txt means all the files, all the text files from our build context should be copied to slash app directory.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you think? How many files will be there?
Only this one, na? Slash in slash app, only the dot text, whatever the text file is available, example dot text or something, that will be that
Yeah,
copy.
right. Exactly. Right. No, but what is but here there are two files. Why?
Like file one, file two.
Yeah. Why? Because we have given the build context as a dot, not this thing. But if you give the build context as this directory, okay,
See,
0, 1.
last time we given this as a build context
No,
01
no. Yes,
basic apps,
that
correct?
was before this building. That was before.
Before
So
this building we have given it, right?
right.
But where that so it should copy all the data which is available under the 01 basic app, correct?
Right.
But I'm not able to see this file, docker file.deb and example one dot text.
Yeah, because currently we recreated this image. Again, we run this command, na, docker build with this dot. So that older image got replaced.
Can you show me again that command, because I get
Yes, yes,
confused.
sure.
So, yeah.
So what we are doing, we are building image and passing this directory as a build context. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now do ls. Okay. So copy command contains star.txt slash app. So all files, all text file from this particular directory should be copied inside a folder, this slash app folder, right?
Okay.
Now we are going to do. What do you see? You will see only one file, right?
Okay. So, but
But
Docker
what
run means we are creating a container, right?
container, right? Yeah, container. And what it will do? It will run the
So we
CMD
are
command.
also logged in into the container as well with the help of the command.
No. We haven't logged into the container. But why we are able to see this output? Because this CMD command. What this CMD command is doing? It is running this ls-la when we do Docker run.
Okay. So you have put it in CMD. That's why it's giving us the output. Otherwise, it won't.
Right.
Correct.
Right.
Got it. Now I've understood.
Now again we will give the dot as a build context. Okay.
Okay.
Now observe the output. Docker run my image 1. So this time it has copied only these two files, 1 and 2.
Okay. Can you remove that start dot file from the Docker files?
Okay. So suppose if you remove this thing.
Yes.
Again we are building.
No. Keep copy command and just remove the put only dot.
2 dots, right?
Right, 2 dots only.
Dot. So
Yeah.
dot here, this dot means the image. Whatever we have inside image, this is the location of the image, and this is our location of the build context.
Okay.
So are you getting what is the syntax? First is will be the source, and second will be the destination. Source means whatever we have passed in from the build context, and second is our image destination. At which location of the image we have to copy. Are you getting what these two things are referencing?
Yes.
We'll just write it here using command. So, source build, and second thing is image destination path. Source build context. So what is the build context now? It is current directory. If you are passing here, dot means current directory. Okay. So inside the image, it will copy everything from the build context to the current working directory of our image. So what is the current working directory of our image? It is /app. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yeah. If you now run this thing, Docker run my image 1. What is showing? It is showing everything from this particular build context. Everything, right?
Right.
Yeah. We have any confusion now? Or
No. I clear. Now it's clear.
okay. If you have, please ask me again.
No issues. I will do the practice again with myself, and I will. If I need doubt, I will ask. No issues.
Suppose if you remove this working directory, just you commented this thing, and again now you build this thing. What do you think? What will happen?
So it will just whatever the current working directory, it will just copy all the file in that. It
Right.
won't
So
do
now
it.
if you do run my image, what you will see? Here you can see that it is
copying all whatever the build.
Yes.
Whatever we have under the training.
No, it is not copying everything. It is copying inside a slash in the slash directory, root directory. So these are all the content of the root directory.
No, got it. But it is copying from the examples, right?
No. It is copying from this particular directory because our build context is this thing, na? Dot. So dot is keyword guidance. We are currently inside this folder. So it is copying everything from this to the current working directory of our image. So currently we have commented the /app thing, na? Because of that, it is copying inside a root.
Right.
Okay, it is now clear, right?
Right. It clear.
Yeah. Okay. So where were we? Yeah. So you are running some commands. Yeah. So now, please share your screen. I will stop it. Please share your screen.
Yeah. Tell me.
Now we have to build a image. Okay.
Okay.
You are going to build it.
Docker build image name, right?
Right. Image name.
Image 01, correct?
Right. You can
And,
give any text. You don't have to like give number only. You can give
yeah.
anything.
And dot, right?
Yeah. Dot means current working directory.
Current work. So it will copy all the
Double dot, not double dot here. So only dot. Now here during building you are passing only build context.
build content, right? So it's saying Docker build.
What do you think? What is there?
It's saying Docker build require exactly one argument.
Right. Yeah. But here we have given two things. One is image name and dot. But if you want to give the image name, you have to specify -t flag.
Hyphen.
No. -t flag. Before the image name, you have to provide
Oh,
-t flag.
okay. Got it. I forgot it. Here, right?
Yes, right.
Correct.
Yes, right.
Fail to save the front end Docker dot. We fail to read Docker file.
Yeah. Now, can you do ls?
ls will not work na here. Okay.
No, here it is PowerShell. Na? PowerShell it will not. Why it is not working? What do you think?
Because here the Docker file is not available.
Right, exactly. Yeah. So we have to go inside the directory.
Example, right?
Yes.
So now here I need to run it, correct?
Here also do ls. Here also it is not present because it is inside 01 basic app. So go with code.
cd 01. Yeah, here is available, right? So I need to run it here. Now installing the PAK files and yeah, it's done it, right? Now I will do the Docker run, correct?
First do Docker image ls so you can see.
Docker image ls. So it's created one image 01. It's given the tag 01 and the name is image, correct?
Right.
So now I can do Docker run, correct? And
Docker either image name or image ID. You can specify
image, right? Image. And I can give any name also. I need to give any name or only just run the image.
No, you have to also specify the tag now. So image name is consist of the repository name plus the tag. So here you are missing the tag. Colon 01.
It's created 3 files under it.
Right. It is not created, it's copied.
Copied, sorry.
Now I will show you one more thing. Let's do Docker image ls. Now Docker space
Docker.
run.
Sorry.
Space run and give the image ID instead of image name. Image ID. Docker run space image ID.
So I can insert here. Oh, it's not. How I can paste it here? Copyright. Got it. Docker run, right?
Run.
Enter.
Yes, and here you can see that we can see the same thing here. Okay. So we can the name as well as the image ID. We can any name means any number of name to the image ID.
Yeah, but
Right.
it's not showing any container here.
Yeah, because it is exited. So that we are going to cover tomorrow. Why it is not showing here. Can you type hyphen A?
Okay, got it.
It's exited. Exited means after running your command, it doesn't have anything to do, right? So it will not directly delete. It will just exit. It means after running ls command, does it have any other thing to do? No, na?
No.
Not like any kind of server which will run continuously. No, it is just a simple command. So once it is ran successfully, it will be in the container. So it will be in the exited state.
Right. Got it.
The image ID.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let's
Your voice is breaking.
yeah. Sorry, I think is there any issue with the Skype today? Because I'm also seeing your screen after like some time, like some delay, like 1 or 2 seconds.
Might be.
But because I don't have any problem with my internet.
I also using 5G. Yeah. Let me check something. If any latency in the network, I don't think so. Any latency is there, but let's see. It's not pinging. Control C. My TV pings. Google T. I think okay. So if you see, the response time is 5. So there is no issue with the internet from my side.
Okay. Let me see also.
If you see no RTO, nothing is there. Might be some Skype issues. Might be.
Yes, I think there are issues from my side because I have latency like not much latency, but I'm getting response after 6 milliseconds. You are getting after like 5 milliseconds. So it
Yeah,
is very
sometimes
small.
it's 2, 3, 4. Yeah, bus.
Okay, then I think is it audible now or still
Yeah,
same?
it's fine. It's fine. No issues.
Okay, you what the concept means how to build the image, how to run it, right? Using the image name as well as the image ID.
Correct. I got it.
Yes. Now we are going to use the -f flag. So what is use of -f flag?
-f.
Yeah.
So if you want to pass any particular file or something, so if you want to pass like any particular file, right?
Docker
Like
file.
Docker file, like we have a two Docker file. One is Docker file, one is Docker file.dap. Correct. So
Right.
while running is Docker build. Correct.
Right.
hyphen f, then I need to give the name Docker file or something, whatever the name, or docker.dap, correct?
Yes,
Correct.
exactly. Right. And if you don't specify any name, what will happen?
So it will take the first, it will give the preference to the Docker file.
Right, exactly. Yeah. Now build image.
And then I need to put T and then image.
What if you don't give the hyphen T flag?
If I will not give, so it will give some random name,
Right.
right?
It will not give any random. It will not give any name. It will have the only
None,
image
none,
ID.
none.
Yes, right. Yeah, right. Yeah. Good.
So can I enter?
Yeah, you are missing one thing, I guess. What do you think? What are you missing?
I given the file name, Omkar, the image name which we are going to create, Docker build, and also Docker. What I'm missing, I just forget.
Run. You will get out.
Sorry.
Just run it. Run it. You will see the. Just run it. Yeah.
One argument is missing. Actually, Docker will
Yeah.
require one.
It requires only one argument. It is mandatory, and it is our context.
Correct. From where? So I need to put dot, right?
Right.
Okay. Where, from which file we want to copy under it? This image, correct?
Yes, right. Yes, right.
Okay. Got it. Now I will do the Docker run. Image 102.
Why? Because the tag is different. You are given Omkar.
Okay. Sorry.
Did you got what is the message here? Unable
Yes.
to find image locally.
Right. So now it's copy all dot some these files, right? Example.com, current directory where we are currently available, correct?
Yes.
Here I have a questions. Okay, so context things. I just if I will pass here, like I want to copy slash images.
Don't give slash. Don't give slash. Don't give slash. So if you give the slash, if you give slash na, so I started note in our readme file. Don't put slash, single slash. So what it will do, it will try to copy all the files from slash directory, and slash directory is a root directory.
I want to give slash. I want to give this docker slash docker. If I want to copy these files, these images into this, how I can do?
Yeah. So what you can do, so you can give the full path, like just you can copy that image, the file path, and you can give it there. You can just right click on the, you can just right click on that images folder.
Okay.
And copy file path. Yeah, copy path.
Copy path. Enter.
Yes, enter.
Saying
Yeah.
dinner.
So you have to instead of slash give a double slash.
In path, right?
Yes, path. Give double slash.
Everywhere, right?
Yes, everywhere, because it is a Windows machine. But there is also one simple way. I will show you. If it is working, then no issue. If it's not working, I will show you one simple way. Enter now. It is still do pwd. No, run command pwd. Yeah, I think you have added slash after ampersand. No, I think it is already there. Or give it in the double quote. Whatever path you have, give it in the double quote.
Put double slash here as well.
No, this from last thing you don't have to give double slash here. Put double quote. No, double quote starting at so double quote. You are doing Docker and you're not doing Docker build.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Build, right? Okay, got it.
Is it working now?
No. Build, if I will pass the build, Docker build require exactly. Okay, I got it. The problem, like if I want Docker app, Docker image के लिए I need to put -t. Build -t and dot and dot.
No. Why are giving dot now? Wait a minute. Why are giving dot?
Because I want to copy all the current directory, Docker file. It will pick up automatically the Docker file, correct?
Yeah. Means the second command, it only required one argument. And what is the argument? Build context. So dot will be inside the copy, means inside Docker file, not during Docker build command. Just
Okay.
remove the two dots.
Got it. Here, right?
Some lag. Have you removed these two dots?
Yes, already removed it.
No, I think there is one dot is still there.
So I need to give one dot, right?
No. One dot means if you want to pass the current working directory, but now
yes,
you want to pass the images folder, na?
that is fine. But from where it will pick up the Docker file?
It will pick up from your current directory.
So for that also I need to give dot, right? Build dot.
No. If you don't specify anything, if you don't specify -f na, then it will search for the Docker file in the current working directory.
Then no need to give that dot, right?
Yes, right.
No any dot.
No, not any dot. Remove dot and images. Yeah. Now run.
Finished. Fail to solve the front end Docker. Fail to read Docker file. So we have to give now, because see.
It should not be like this. Wait, I will run on my local also. Example, you are currently inside a 01 basic, right? Let me share my screen.
Here also
yes,
we
right.
have,
Right.
We have to give one dot as well, right? Here.
No, no. If you give the dot, it means you have to do. You have to run from your current working directory.
Correct.
Okay, but we want to pass the images. Why it is not working? Yes. Yeah. Do one thing. Docker build hyphen. But for me it is working. So. Mhm. Wait, for me it is working. So no.
See, is building when, but it's showing Sol, but it's not taking the Docker images. I think for Docker images, I need to pass on dot here, na?
No, no. You have to pass hyphen f and Docker file. Hyphen f and Docker file. Capital D will be capital. Yes, right. Yeah. Now run.
So why it's not taking the, yeah, now it's working.
Yeah, it is now. I think when we pass the build context other than current working directory, we also need to specify the path of Docker file. Maybe
Oh.
because it will try to search the Docker file from that particular context.
Okay, so I want to use the images.
Now do Docker run. Docker run.
Yes.
And remember dot when you're specifying dot the during build, not through command line, it is not copying. It is doing all these things during building process, not through Docker build command. You are given like Docker build space dot na.
Yes,
So
yes.
dot is we are giving it inside the Docker file, not on the command line. Okay, remember that thing.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, now you got the point, na?
Yes, yes, yes. I got it.
Yeah.
Now I understood.
So I guess we ran whatever the basic things we thought.
Yes, yes, yes. So can we stop today here? I will do more whatever practice we did it yesterday, like entry point and all. I will just go through the video, and we will connect tomorrow. Hope it is fine.
Yes, yes, sure. Should do we do practical tomorrow also like this only for the
Yes,
entrepreneur?
yes, yes. Yeah, that would be great. If any doubt, we will do the same or something. I will try to do myself, and any doubt, I will ask you tomorrow.
Yeah, because when you do practical, you are getting the point, na? Means you are
Yes,
running,
I
you are
will get
getting
a
doubt.
confidence and I will get understanding and all. That is important.
Yes.
We will do that tomorrow as well. Yes, I think this is a good approach to going ahead.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. So we will connect tomorrow.
Well, good night.
Good night. Good night.